Icy Scotch guy. Now, I found a design flaw with the Hornby P2 Railroad Gresley North. Now, there's a problem with the gears. They can get in a certain position where they just won't work. Now look at this, right? That's on full. It's not moving at all. But you see there, after a short bit of revving, the gears eventually kick in. But here it is. Yeah, but if you have a Gresley North and it doesn't work like that, what you can do is just put it in reverse. You can just, that's fast forward. You can just put it in reverse and hopefully it'll kick in, but look, I got lucky at that time. So it's goodbye from me, goodbye, and goodbye from Gresley North. Choo choo.